just like him, just sub him. It's Yahia Champ 21.
What's up YouTubers, today Yahia Champ 21. I am back with another video. How are we all doing today? Good morning. As you can see, I've got my school bag, I've got my school clothes on. Well, you can't see that obviously, but yeah. So today I will be vlogging my school day, but also fasting as well. So you'll get to see how tired I am. I do have PE today, so it will be a little bit tough, but because yesterday I had PE and I just fell asleep, so I did fail to do a live stream because I was wanting to do a live stream very badly. But yeah, I'm off to my friend's house just to go wait on him, and then we're going to take the bus there because, you know, if I walk you'll waste more energy. But yeah, my other friend is fuming about that because he wanted to walk with me. But yeah, so before we start, make sure to follow me on my Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. I'll pop it right there, and let's get filming.
Guys, I'm finally at the school. As you can see, I do at the same place where I actually did do my TikToks. I did one TikTok actually, so if you really want to check that out, I'll pop my TikTok up here, right again. But yeah guys, so I'm probably going to stand here for a while and probably get a class because, you know, I've got like about 15 minutes anyway, so, you know, I'm totally free. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Nobody's here yet. Hopefully nobody's soon. I'm in technical, as you can see. There's just like some people have got. Probably get kicked out or get into trouble, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video if I can. Shorts on. Right guys, finished PE. I'm gonna now get changed, but I'll see you.
Guys, as you can see, I am outside now taking my break. I've got about 15 minutes left. I've got English next, which I'm not a big fan of, but I will see you there.
Roughly speaking, at least double it. I'm going to stop doing that with the bottle. Put it down. Annoying. Whoever it is you? Click on the bottle. Stop it. So I build these V-cops to be about 50 words. I sometimes, you know, I'm obsessive about it and it's got to land on 50, but roughly about 50 words. And your job is to make them, it's probably at least double it. And you'll do that. If you recall the one I put on the board about the teacher hearing the noise outside and getting all angry and all that kind of stuff, it went from 47 words to about 130, something like 130, 140. So I more than doubled it by my process of planning connectors, planning openers, planning extra like direct speech so I can get some punctuation in, and then throwing in lots and lots of Do you want to do the speech for me?
far today, but I've set your test date.
Then I realised I got a science test to revise. That isn't good. Well in school for doing that. I appreciate that because well done, you've done a really great job. We're all happy, aren't we?
So, what was I going to say there? Yeah, so you started your revision.
It's lunchtime and I'm probably going to head off to maths soon because I've just been relaxing, and I'll see you guys there at maths. I'm quite a big fan of that. Guys, it's officially been a fire drill. That's a bit annoying. We have to always line up here in that pitch over there, as you can see. Guys, there has officially been another fire drill. I'll have to be lining up here for a while. Probably going to miss my next subject, the social subjects, or I'm doing geography actually. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes, and yeah. Don't know how long we'll be here for. Alright, Kirk. Kirk. How you doing? How you doing? I'm alright as well.
Get a wee minute in the sun.
How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm tired.
Tired? I'm tired. It's
Just because I'm fasting as well. I'm doing Ramadan.
You're doing Ramadan, so you will be tired. So what time are you allowed to eat at?
Sunset. That's like 8:45 today.
I know, God. And it'll get later as it gets closer to summer. It extends every so
It'll
often.
be better at winter.
Yeah. Jeez, oh. But that's, it's got to be done.
Yeah. Just because of my religion.
Yeah, definitely. It's good though, it's good to have your faith.
Yeah. I don't even know how long we're even going to be here for, but hopefully not long.
No, because it's also senior lunch, so it's some people on their lunch.
Right guys, here's the Reddit social subjects. Probably gonna lie about racism, but yeah.
In my seat! So it looks at, it's basically about anti-corruption within the police, so it's a police task force that go basically after other police officers. That whole TV drama, the person that wrote that got the inspiration from the wrong, okay? And there was a really, really big report that the government put in place to find out what happened during that investigation. And after that report came out, that is when the police had to start making changes into how they treated people, how they recruited people, because they didn't have many people that were of other ethnic origins within their communities, within their police force. So it was a really kind of big thing, alright? So
Not the end of the video, of course, because I'm filming actually until I eat. But yeah, guys, so I've decided what I would like to eat is some tacos. And while I'm recording this, I actually might start a live stream in a few minutes, if I can. And yeah, guys, so I'm just going to relax, you know, I just think I usually do. If you would really like to see some more of these, like, stuff, these day in a lives in Ramadan, I've actually done every single day in TikTok. So sometimes just say what I eat, or actually I just film the whole day. But yeah, guys, so right now I'm just going to relax. I'll tell you what I'm going to do next once I do something next. There was a fire drill at school, guys. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Right, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and I hope to see you guys on Sunday. I did go live today while I'm recording this, but obviously the live will be ended by now. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Guys, that was the end of the video. Thank you so much, and comment below what was your favourite part of the video. Goodbye.